Good day, my name is Braden, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use the F18 as well as how to set the access control parameters on the F18. So first things first, to get into the menu, you're going to be using the little M/OK button over here, just by holding it in. And what you'll do is you'll get the menu over here. So what you've got over here is you've got user management, user roles, comms, system, personalize, data management, access control, USB manager, attendance search, work code, auto test, and system info. So first things first, what I'm going to be showing you is how to put users onto the device. So you're going to go up here to user management, and you're going to say OK. And what you'll get at the top is you've got new user, all users, and display style. What you're going to do is you're going to select new user, again using the M/OK key. And what you're going to have here is you're just going to have different parameters for the user, such as their user ID, their name, their role, their fingerprint, badge number, password, and their access control role. So what we're going to do, just to add a standard user, is we're going to go down over here to where it says fingerprint. We're going to say OK. It's going to ask us to choose a finger. To be honest, it actually doesn't really matter what finger you choose in terms of the little chart over here. It really can't tell the difference. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use the default over here, which is the right index finger. I'm going to say OK. And over here, it's going to ask me to place my fingerprint 3 times. So doing so. And there we go. The little tick means that it's accepted. So to test it, all I have to do is exit completely out of there and apply my fingerprint. So what you can see over there is that it has successfully read my fingerprint and it has put me through on the device. Now what I'll show you over here is how it actually unlocks and sends an unlock signal. So at the moment on that OL, what's happening is that there's no current signal going through. What I'm going to do is I'm going to place my finger, and what you'll see is that will change. That over there now means that it's put a signal through to unlock whatever it's attached to. It's on a 10-second timer at the moment for the lock, or about 5 seconds. So what you see there is that the symbol's now changed back. So essentially what it's attached to, whether it's a turnstile or a door, basically what just happens there is that the unlock signal goes through, and once that signal's finished transmitting, it locks again. So carrying on over here, if we want to add an admin onto the device, what we'll do is we'll go into user management again. We'll say new user this time. Let's say there's going to be another admin. And over here on user role, we are going to just press the right arrow over here until, sorry, never mind. We're going to press OK on it. And we're going to go down here to the option called super admin. So basically what this role means is that the device will lock itself, and only people with the role of super admin will be able to get into the device. So we're going to go again to fingerprint. Again, I'll just use the default right index, but I won't use my index finger because that's already registered to another user. We'll say OK. We'll use the left index, 1, 2, and 3. It's accepted. We will exit, and now if I try and hold the menu button, it's not going to let us in. It's going to be locked. So admin finger, and in we are. However, if I try it with the normal user, it's going to deny us access into the device and state that it's illegal management. So back into the device, and there we go. One other thing that we might want to just check on is our access control parameters. So we'll just go into access control, and what we'll do is we'll go into access control options at the top. What you'll see at the top is you've got a door lock delay and a secondary door lock delay, as this is a dual relay device. What we're going to do is we're going to just set the door lock delay on the first device, and we are going to just set it to 1, for example. And we're going to exit out of there. So we're going to unlock, and we're going to watch the symbol over here on the left hand side. So what you saw there was it changed and it changed back. That transmitted a 1 second signal through to the device to unlock it for just a second before locking it again. It's pretty useful for certain controlling situations where you need to just admit one person through a door instead of having it being unlocked for quite a while and allowing multiple people to come through. So moving on from there, I'm going to show you just one last thing, and that's just how to take data off the device via a flash drive. What you'll see over here on the left hand side of the device is a little port and a flap. Underneath that flap is a USB port and a restart button. So with that USB port, we're going to take our flash drive and we are just going to put this into there. We're going to go into the menu again, admin finger, back into the menu, and down over here on the right hand side we've got USB manager. We're going to open over there, and you'll see at the top you've got download, upload, and download options. What we're going to do is we're going to say download. We're going to select attendance data at the top, and we are going to select all data. So what you've got is you've got quite a few options for data if you ever want to specify. You've got data from today, data from yesterday, data from the week, last week, the month or last month, and lastly all data. So because I want all data, I'm going to select it over there. What you'll see there is it's transferred and it's stated that it is successful. So with that, we now have our attendance data on this flash drive. That is just in the event of your network not working correctly where the device can't communicate with the software. You can still get a copy of your data onto that flash drive. From there you can contact Sabre, and what we'll do is we'll just get a technician to pop on and download that data for you. Additionally, what they can also do is they can then teach you how to do so in future so that no other calls are needed in terms of that. But otherwise, that's everything to do with the access control of an F18. Thank you.